Know what I'm saying?
Hey yo, what's good, man? It's me, man. It's your boy Rocco. Hey, shout out to my homie, man, DJ Dow Jones, your baby mama favorite DJ. Need it. Hey man, let's make history, family. Let's go.
Got the kush blunt rolled up. Told them ho jump in my ride, we finna slide same day that they chose up. I hit another state and city. Everywhere I go, let J keep pimping hard, man, it's a fucking pity. These niggas can't even get one bitch. I'm having 2, 3, 4, 5, pimping even had 6. Hoes out in Vegas, hoes out in New Jersey. Ho be on my line like, he am I worthy? I tell him, ho, right now I'm on the mission. Bitch, I'm around here doing this music, really getting it. I keep my distance from lazy ass stragglers and lollygaggers that's trying to bring a player down backwards. I ain't gon' have it. Hell nah, I bust moves on these boppers. The bitch that you married, the bitch I passed to my partners. You see the bitch that you cherish, the bitch that we just had poppin'. She act like she was embarrassed, but once the molly had popped in, the bitch was acting a fool. Man, that's on the cool. Me and all my partners and my little cousins ran through. It ain't no motherfucking lie. Now the bitch fly state to state, breaking on the surgeon and the director from Lionsgate, breaking on the pilot, $1 million clientele. She got the dean from Harvard, 2 professors out of Yale. The bitch get around, get money, and she bring it back to Perry on J. Keith. Every day she pay me. Western Union booming, got my debit cards pumping. She in Boston, Massachusetts. I'm with Frankie out in Compton. Catch a plane, I'm back in Miami. I'm doing what I do. A nigga coming down, sipping purple like Big Blue. I'm fucking with my partners and they fucking with me back. We all got bitches and they all on the track. We all got bitches and they all come with stacks. They all bad bitches and they all got tats. My bitch got some red bottoms, looking good. Yo bitch ain't got no red bottoms. Hey, but she cool. I'm tryna break her brain down in my Challenger. Have her working on the beach, just like Angela. When I catch your bitch slipping, she gon' choose me. Nigga wanna knock me down with his Uzi, cause a nigga in his time, and I'm getting it. Perry on J. Keith, on J Pimpin' Big. Hold up, on J Pimpin' Big. On J Pimpin' Big. Pimpin'. Louisiana pimpin', you heard me?